Looking to improve your gut health? Probiotics are not your only option. Enter fermented foods, the unsung heroes of digestive wellness. Fermentation is a process that preserves and enhances the nutrients in food while introducing beneficial bacteria, making it a double whammy for your gut health. In this video, we delve beyond probiotics and explore the world of fermented foods. From sauerkraut and kimchi to kefir and kombucha, fermented foods are packed with live cultures that promote a healthy gut microbiome. But it's not just about digestion. Fermented foods are also known to boost the immune system, improve nutrient absorption, and even enhance mental health. Join us as we uncover the science behind this age-old technique and delve into the diverse range of fermented foods that can revolutionize your gut health. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned fermented food lover, this video has got you covered. So, put down the probiotics and get ready to embark on a journey to a healthier gut with the power of fermented foods. Understanding the gut microbiome and its importance. Before we dive into the world of fermented foods, let's take a moment to understand the gut microbiome and why it's so crucial for our overall health. The gut microbiome refers to the trillions of microorganisms that reside in our digestive tract. These microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, and viruses, play a vital role in maintaining our health. A healthy gut microbiome is associated with numerous benefits, such as improved digestion, enhanced nutrient absorption, and a strengthened immune system. On the other hand, an imbalance in the gut microbiome, known as dysbiosis, can lead to a range of health issues, including digestive disorders, autoimmune diseases, and even mental health conditions. Now that we understand the significance of a healthy gut microbiome, let's explore how fermented foods can help us achieve and maintain optimal gut health. The science behind fermentation and its benefits. Fermentation is an ancient food preservation technique that involves the breakdown of complex carbohydrates by microorganisms like bacteria and yeast. During the fermentation process, these microorganisms convert sugars into alcohol, lactic acid, or acetic acid, giving fermented foods their distinctive tangy flavors. But what makes fermentation so beneficial for our gut health? The answer lies in the live cultures or probiotics that are produced during the fermentation process. These probiotics are strains of beneficial bacteria that can colonize our gut and promote a healthy gut microbiome. Studies have shown that consuming fermented foods can increase the diversity and abundance of beneficial bacteria in the gut. This, in turn, can improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and enhance nutrient absorption. Additionally, fermented foods also contain enzymes that aid in the breakdown of complex nutrients, making them more easily digestible. Types of fermented foods and their nutritional value. Fermented foods come in a wide variety, each offering its unique set of benefits and flavors. Let's explore some of the most popular fermented foods and their nutritional value. Sauerkraut. This traditional German dish is made from fermented cabbage and is rich in vitamins C and K, as well as fiber. Sauerkraut is a great source of probiotics and can help improve digestion and strengthen the immune system. Kimchi. A staple in Korean cuisine, kimchi is a spicy fermented cabbage dish that is packed with vitamins A, B, and C, as well as beneficial bacteria. Kimchi is known for its antioxidant properties and can help reduce inflammation in the body. Kefir. Kefir is a fermented milk drink that is similar to yogurt but has a thinner consistency. It is an excellent source of probiotics, calcium, and B vitamins. Kefir can aid in digestion, improve lactose intolerance, and support bone health. Kombucha. Kombucha is a fizzy, fermented tea that is sweet and tangy in flavor. It is made by fermenting sweetened tea with a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, SCOBY. Kombucha is rich in antioxidants, probiotics, and organic acids, making it beneficial for gut health and detoxification. These are just a few examples of the many fermented foods available. The key is to experiment with different varieties to find the ones that suit your taste preferences and provide the most benefits for your gut health. How fermented foods improve digestion and nutrient absorption. One of the primary benefits of consuming fermented foods is their ability to improve digestion and nutrient absorption. The probiotics present in fermented foods help break down complex carbohydrates, proteins, and fats into more easily digestible forms. When we consume fermented foods, the live cultures they contain help populate our gut with beneficial bacteria. These bacteria play a crucial role in breaking down food particles and extracting nutrients from them. They also produce enzymes that aid in the digestion process, ensuring that we can extract the maximum nutritional value from the foods we eat. Additionally, fermented foods can help regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation, The beneficial bacteria in these foods promote a healthy balance of gut flora, which can alleviate digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. The role of fermented foods in boosting the immune system. A strong immune system is vital for overall health and well-being. Research suggests that consuming fermented foods can play a significant role in boosting immune function. The beneficial bacteria found in fermented foods interact with our immune system in several ways. They help stimulate the production of antibodies, which are essential for fighting off harmful pathogens. These bacteria also help regulate the immune response, preventing it from becoming overactive and causing inflammation. Furthermore, fermented foods contain compounds like organic acids and antioxidants that have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help protect our bodies from harmful bacteria and viruses, reducing the risk of infections and supporting a robust immune system. Incorporating fermented foods into your diet. Now that we understand the benefits of fermented foods, let's explore some practical ways to incorporate them into our daily diet. Start small. If you're new to fermented foods, it's best to start with small servings to allow your body to adjust. Begin by adding a spoonful of sauerkraut or kimchi to your meals or enjoying a small glass of kefir or kombucha. Get creative in the kitchen. Fermented foods can be incorporated into a wide range of dishes. Add sauerkraut or kimchi to salads, sandwiches, or Buddha bowls for an extra tangy kick. Use kefir as a base for smoothies or as a substitute for buttermilk in baking recipes. The possibilities are endless. Experiment with flavors. Don't be afraid to try different types of fermented foods and flavors. Each variety offers its unique taste profile and nutritional benefits. Explore the shelves of your local grocery store or farmer's market to discover new and exciting fermented foods to add to your diet. DIY fermentation. If you're feeling adventurous, why not try your hand at fermenting foods at home? Making your fermented foods allows you to control the ingredients and flavors and can be a fun and rewarding culinary experiment. Start with beginner-friendly recipes like homemade sauerkraut or kombucha, and gradually expand your fermentation skills. Fermented foods and their impact on specific health conditions. While fermented foods offer numerous benefits for gut health and overall well-being, they can also have a positive impact on specific health conditions. Let's explore some of these conditions and how fermented foods can help. Irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. IBS is a common digestive disorder characterized by symptoms like abdominal pain, bloating, and irregular bowel movements. The probiotics present in fermented foods can help alleviate these symptoms by promoting a healthy gut microbiome and reducing inflammation in the digestive tract. Inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. IBD includes conditions like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, which are characterized by chronic inflammation in the digestive tract. Consuming fermented foods can help soothe inflammation and support the healing of the intestinal lining, reducing symptoms and promoting remission. Food allergies and intolerances. Fermentation can break down complex food molecules, making them easier to digest. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with food allergies or intolerances, as fermented foods can help reduce the severity of reactions or make certain foods more tolerable. Mental health disorders. Emerging research suggests a strong connection between the gut and the brain, often referred to as the gut-brain axis. The beneficial bacteria in fermented foods can influence neurotransmitter production and regulate inflammation, potentially improving symptoms of mental health conditions like depression and anxiety. Common misconceptions about fermented foods. As with any topic, there are a few misconceptions surrounding fermented foods that need to be addressed. Fermented foods are the same as pickled foods. While both involve preservation techniques, pickled foods are typically preserved in vinegar or brine, while fermented foods undergo a natural fermentation process. The fermentation process of fermented foods produces live cultures or probiotics, which are not present in pickled foods. Fermented foods are high in alcohol. Although some fermented foods like kombucha contain trace amounts of alcohol, the levels are typically very low, less than 0.5%. Fermented foods are generally safe for consumption by individuals of all ages, including children and pregnant women. Conclusion: embracing fermented foods for gut health. In conclusion, fermented foods are a powerhouse of nutrition and offer numerous benefits for gut health and overall well-being. From improving digestion and nutrient absorption to boosting the immune system and supporting mental health, the live cultures and probiotics in fermented foods can revolutionize your gut microbiome. So, instead of solely relying on probiotic supplements, Consider incorporating a variety of fermented foods into your diet. Experiment with different flavors and types, and reap the rewards of a healthier gut and a happier you. Cheers to the power of fermented foods and the journey to optimal gut health. Thanks for watching.